Welcome to Nature's Haven. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore the fascinating world of Victorian greenhouses. Victorian greenhouses are not just structures. They are symbols of innovation, elegance, and the beauty of bygone eras. Let's delve into their captivating history and enduring charm. Victorian greenhouses emerged during the 19th century, a period marked by technological advancement and a fascination with exotic plants. They were more than mere structures. They were status symbols, showcasing wealth and sophistication. These architectural marvels allowed enthusiasts to cultivate exotic plants like orchids, palms, and citrus fruits, symbolizing wealth, refinement, and a passion for botany. The intricate architecture of Victorian greenhouses is awe-inspiring. From ornate ironwork to elegant glass panels, their design was a testament to craftsmanship and attention to detail. Steeply pitched roofs allowed for optimal sunlight exposure, while the use of wrought iron or cast iron in their construction offered both strength and elegance. Victorian greenhouses were more than just horticultural marvels. They were symbols of a passion for botanical exploration, scientific advancement, and a desire to bring the world's flora under one roof. Even today, Victorian greenhouses continue to inspire modern gardeners, architects, and enthusiasts. Some have been meticulously preserved, while others have evolved into venues for events or educational spaces. Modern adaptations of Victorian greenhouses retain their classic charm while incorporating eco-friendly features and serving diverse purposes, from garden centers to private sanctuaries. Many contemporary greenhouse designs pay homage to the Victorian era while embracing sustainable materials and energy-efficient technologies. Victorian greenhouses are iconic structures that emerged during the Victorian era, primarily in the 19th century, known for their exquisite architecture and practical use for cultivating exotic plants. Here are more details about these fascinating structures. Historical significance. Origin and purpose. Victorian greenhouses were initially built as status symbols for the wealthy elite. They served as ornate spaces to showcase exotic plants brought back from far-flung corners of the British Empire during the Age of Exploration and colonialism. Botanical exploration. These greenhouses played a vital role in the botanical exploration of the time. They facilitated the cultivation of plants that were previously unknown or rare in Britain, such as orchids, palms, ferns, and citrus fruits. Architectural features. Elaborate design. Victorian greenhouses were characterized by intricate architectural designs, often featuring ornate ironwork, decorative glass panels, tall windows, and steep roofs. The use of wrought iron or cast iron provided both strength and aesthetic appeal. Functionality. Their steeply pitched roofs were designed to optimize sunlight exposure, essential for nurturing tropical or exotic plants in the often cloudy and cool British climate. Role in society. Status symbols. These greenhouses were a mark of wealth and social status. Owning and maintaining such structures showcased an individual's sophistication, taste, and interest in botany. Cultural significance. Victorian greenhouses became cultural icons, influencing art, literature, and garden design during the Victorian era. They were often depicted in paintings, literature, and postcards, reflecting the fascination with horticulture and technological advancement of the time. Modern-day adaptations. Preservation and restoration. Many Victorian-era greenhouses have been preserved as historical landmarks, botanical gardens, or public spaces, maintaining their original charm and significance. Contemporary designs. Some modern greenhouses draw inspiration from Victorian architecture, incorporating similar design elements while integrating sustainable materials and eco-friendly practices. Functionality. Today, Victorian-style greenhouses serve various purposes, from private garden sanctuaries and educational spaces to commercial garden centers or event venues. Legacy and influence. Architectural influence. Victorian greenhouses have left a lasting impact on architecture and garden design. Their elegant yet functional design elements continue to inspire architects and gardeners worldwide. Horticultural legacy. The botanical collections and plant cultivation techniques developed in Victorian greenhouses have contributed significantly to modern horticulture and botany. Victorian greenhouses represent a blend of architectural beauty, botanical curiosity, and historical significance. They remain admired for their unique blend of artistry and functionality, continuing to captivate enthusiasts and inspire architectural innovations even in contemporary times. Certainly. The origin and purpose of Victorian greenhouses are rooted in a combination of historical, cultural, and botanical influences from the Victorian era. Here are more details about their origin and purpose. Origin. Industrial Revolution influence. The rise of the Industrial Revolution in the 19th century brought about technological advancements in construction materials, particularly iron and glass. These advancements allowed for the creation of larger and more intricate structures. Exploration and colonization. The Victorian era was marked by extensive exploration and colonization. Expeditions to various parts of the world brought back exotic plants from distant lands, sparking an interest in cultivating these specimens in Britain. Purpose. Cultivation of exotic plants. The primary purpose of Victorian greenhouses was to create controlled environments suitable for cultivating exotic plants that were not native to Britain. These plants included tropical species such as orchids, palms, ferns, and fruits like oranges and lemons. Showcasing wealth and prestige. Owning a Victorian greenhouse was a symbol of wealth, status, and sophistication. It was a display of one's social standing and a testament to the owner's ability to afford such luxuries and maintain an elaborate horticultural collection. Scientific exploration and botanical study. These greenhouses served as laboratories for studying plant biology, acclimatization, and experimentation. Botanists used them to understand how different plants adapted to controlled environments and to conduct botanical research. Social and recreational spaces. In addition to their botanical significance, these greenhouses often served as social spaces for the elite. They were venues for gatherings, afternoon teas, and leisurely strolls, providing an aesthetically pleasing environment. Contributions to botanical knowledge. Facilitating plant imports, Victorian greenhouses played a crucial role in importing and acclimatizing plants from different climates worldwide. This botanical exchange significantly expanded Britain's plant diversity. Advancements in horticulture. The study of exotic plants within these structures contributed to advancements in horticulture, gardening techniques, and understanding the requirements for nurturing various plant species in controlled environments. Evolution and contemporary significance. Adaptation in modern times. While their original purpose of showcasing exotic plants remains, Victorian greenhouses have evolved into multifunctional spaces, utilized for education, conservation, public gardens, and events. Preservation as historical treasures. Many original Victorian greenhouses have been preserved as historical landmarks, showcasing their architectural beauty and historical significance. The origin and purpose of Victorian greenhouses reflect a combination of botanical curiosity, technological advancements, social status, and scientific exploration prevalent during the Victorian era. Their legacy continues to inspire and educate, offering insights into the historical relationship between human culture, science, and nature. Symbolism of wealth and social status. Exclusive ownership. Greenhouses were expensive to build and maintain, requiring substantial resources. Thus, owning a greenhouse signified significant wealth and affluence. Luxury and elegance. These structures were often elaborate and ornate, featuring intricate architectural designs, decorative ironwork, and large expanses of glass. Their opulent appearance highlighted the owner's taste for luxury. Display of refinement and culture. Horticultural knowledge. Cultivating exotic plants in these greenhouses required specialized knowledge and skills. Possessing such expertise demonstrated the owner's cultivation skills and appreciation for botany. Cultural and artistic significance. Victorian greenhouses were considered pieces of art and marvels of engineering. Their elegant designs reflected the prevailing architectural styles and artistic sensibilities of the time. Social standing and prestige. Social magnetism. Greenhouses often served as focal points for social gatherings among the elite. They provided a picturesque backdrop for hosting events, gatherings, or leisurely strolls, enhancing social interactions. Social networking. Owning a Victorian greenhouse offered a space for networking among the wealthy and influential, allowing connections to be made and maintained in a sophisticated setting. As we conclude this journey through the allure of Victorian greenhouses, we're reminded of their timeless beauty, historical significance, and their continuing influence on architecture and gardening. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into history, architecture, and the world of gardening. Until next time,